Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Lili Hartono. I'm from Indonesia, and I try to present my paper. My paper's title is Aesthetic Values of Tapis Fabric for Lampung Community. Introduction. In the Lampung people life, Tapis Fabric has an important role in every traditional and religious activities, such as the marriage activities, taking customary titles, birth ceremonies, and so on. Tapis fabric is resulted from the weaving and the embroidery process of the Lampung girl when get into adult phase. In the Lampung society, a girl who is diligently making tapis fabric is considered as a good woman and deserves prize. For the Lampung Pepadun community, Tapis fabric has a symbolic philosophical meaning that is implemented on the fabric colors and the applied motif. This is related to the tapis fabric function as the complement to the traditional ceremonies. The use of tapis fabric as the traditional clothing for Lampung people has been passed down for generations since their ancestral life. It became a traditional device that cannot be abandoned and even become a family heirloom. This is some example of Lampung tapis fabric. The function of tapis fabric in Lampung society has three aspects. Number one, social functions, and then religious function, and then an aesthetic function. This is an example for of the function of the tapis fabric from the social aspect as a symbol of social status, and the example of the function of the tapis fabric from the religious aspect as dance equipment in the ceremony. Methodology. This research is a qualitative descriptive study which is specifically discusses of the aesthetic values contained in the tapis fabric. The source of data for this research are the places and events, informants, and documents. The data are collected through observation, interview, and the literature studies techniques. The accuracy of the data is determined by the triangulation of data source. The same of similar data were matched through different data source. Discussion. Tapis fabric is one of the cultural objects for the people of Lampung that is used to meet the need of life, both physical and spiritual. Generally, the process of making tapis fabric has to go through two stages. The first stage is the weaving process of the basic fabric that will be given decorative motif. The next stage is the embroidering process of the decorative motif. This is a picture of gold thread embroidery process, and types of motif on Lampung filter cloth is geometric motif, human motif, ship motif, animal motif, and then plain motif. In addition to the decorative motif from the embroidery of the decorative threads that are applied to the basic woven fabric, there are also other motifs resulted from the decorative thread tied pattern using penyawat, thread called as tekat. This penyawat is follow certain pattern or count so that it will form certain beautiful pattern. During the weaving process of the tapis fabric, there are several motifs from the penyawat thread. They are a zigzag or intermittent motif, flat thread, tekat siku, or mountain, slope, and rhombus. This is a picture from the lane of gold thread that have not been embroidered. And then tekat, basic motif from tapis fabric embroidery. And then is a photo of the tail, example an embroidered motif on a tapis fabric. The aesthetic values of tapis fabric from Lampung is merged in following principle and condition. Number one is the unity principle. Every element in a tapis fabric is important thing because it gives a symbolic and aesthetic meaning for the tapis fabric. Tapis fabric colors, motif, decorative pattern, even penyawat, thread type pattern are filling, complement, are perfecting each other. There is not a single thing. Element in the tapis fabric which is merely decoration only or just a complement. As well as the applied motif, there are no unnecessary or unimportant motif in the composition of the overall motif. Each motif is filling, supporting, and complementing each other. Number two, the theme or concept principle. In every creation of tapis fabric, there is one or more main ideas or basic concept that are more in prominent. Thus, those ideas become the main and the central point of the values concept and a whole meaning for the for this tapis fabric. This emphasis or accentuate can be done in every element. It can be in the applied motif, the fabric basic color, the decorative patterns, and meaning. The ideas and values contained therein are the main themes or the basic concept of tapis fabric creation. Number three, the balance principle. The meaning of balance is here is the concept similarity from different elements or even sometimes conflicting. This combination of the several different elements create a unity of the concept values that become the basic creation and ultimately lead a harmonious, dynamic, and aesthetic balance values. Number four, the gradual principle. This principle is a special foundation in the preparation and decorative composition aspect of the tapis fabric, as well as in the distribution and placement of the one single motif in a whole composition motif with varying degrees. In the decorative motif composition, there is one form of motif or more that hold a more dominant role and lead the other motif. Number five, the complexity and the difficulty principle. The motifs in the tapis fabric are made from gold, thread, and placed on top of the basic fabric. Furthermore, it was tied up using penyawat thread with a white or colored cotton thread is not an easy task to do. This embroidery process requires patience, accuracy, perseverance, and a high skill. Not to mention the shape of the motif and the decorative pattern. Some are simple and some are complicated and complex. It was arranged in such composition until it has a unity of the beautiful and a dynamic form. Number six is the sincerity and the seriousness principle. A good tapis fabric must have certain qualities that are full of symbolic philosophical meaning, not just beautiful and attractive form, but do not have values and meaning. It doesn't matter what quality or meaning it contains or when it is used, when suffering, joy, and etc. During the process of making tapis fabric, first thing to do is to consider the desired meaning, materials to be used, the colors, and what motif will be applied. Conclusion. The aesthetic values of the tapis fabric from Lampung is not seen partially, but seen and interpreted as a whole and entirety. The aesthetic value of Lampung Tapis merge in six fundamentals. They are number one, fundamental of unity. Number two, fundamental of the theme or concept. Number three, fundamental of balance. Number four, fundamental of gradual. Number five, fundamental of complication and difficulty. And number six, fundamental of intensity and seriousness. The aesthetic of tapis fabric are in its complicated production process, sophisticated, with high craftsmanship and its beautiful shape. The process of tapis fabric as a cultural object in a medium in delivering kindness values to lead humankind to a better life. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.